In this lecture, we focus on stability. Stability is a rather key concept in the study of dynamics. Consider a fixed point x star of a system x dot is equal to f of x. X star is attracting if there is a delta greater than 0 such that the limit t tends to infinity, x of t is equal to x star. Whenever the distance between x naught and x star is less than delta. Essentially, any trajectory that starts within a distance delta of x star is guaranteed to converge to x star eventually. Now let's plot a simple figure. We denote x star. You have x of 0. You have a radius of size delta, and that's what the trajectory looks like. Note that trajectories that start nearby can be allowed to stray away from x star in the short run, but they must approach x star in the long run. So this diagram exhibits an attracting fixed point. Now Lyapunov stability requires that nearby trajectories remain close for all time. We say that x star is Lyapunov stable if for each epsilon greater than 0 there is a delta greater than 0 such that the distance between x naught and x star is actually less than delta. Thus trajectories that start within delta of x star remain within epsilon of x star for all positive time. Now we construct a figure to depict Lyapunov stability. You've got x star, you have x naught. We have a radius of size delta and a radius of size epsilon, and that's your trajectory. So this is a visual representation for Lyapunov stability. If x star is both attracting and Lyapunov stable, then the fixed point is asymptotically stable. Now here's a note. When a fixed point is Lyapunov stable but not attracting, it's actually called neutrally stable. Nearby trajectories are neither attracted nor repelled from a neutrally stable fixed point. Let's consider an example. Recall the simple harmonic oscillator mx double dot plus kx is equal to 0, where m is the mass, k is the spring constant, and x is the displacement of the mass from equilibrium. The phase portrait for this particular system is the following, where v is the velocity, note that the equilibrium point is neutrally stable. It is also possible for a fixed point to be attracting but not Lyapunov stable. Note that neither motion of stability implies the other. Let's consider an example. Consider the vector field on the circle. Theta dot is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So theta star is equal to 0 is a fixed point. So we plot the vector field, and so theta star is equal to 0 attracts all trajectories as t tends to infinity. But it is not Lyapunov stable. Trajectories that start very close to theta star actually go far away before returning to theta star. So finally, x star is unstable if it is neither attracting nor Lyapunov stable.
Now in this lecture, we introduced the notion of stability. Stability is a really key and a really important topic in the study of dynamics. And we started by introducing the notion of an attracting fixed point. So consider you have a fixed point, which is the top of my finger, and you have a trajectory which starts close to it. So you have an initial condition which starts close to it. If, as time goes to infinity, the trajectory eventually converges to the fixed point, we call that fixed point attracting. We should note that even though the trajectory starts close to the fixed point, there is no requirement that you should always remain close to the fixed point. So you can start close, you can go far away, you can come back, and then you can go and hit the equilibrium point. If that's the case, then the fixed point is called an attracting fixed point. The second notion was that of Lyapunov stability. So a fixed point is called Lyapunov stable if trajectories that start close to the fixed point actually remain fairly close to the fixed point for all time. So they can't say, if that's the fixed point and you're actually starting close to it, you can't go very far away from it. So if you are close, then for all time you kind of remain close to that equilibrium point. So if the fixed point is Lyapunov stable and is attracting, it's called asymptotically stable. We can also have a scenario where the fixed point is Lyapunov stable but not attracting. If that's the case, it is referred to as neutrally stable. So essentially what happens is that nearby trajectories will neither get attracted to the fixed point nor get repelled from the fixed point. So in such a scenario, the fixed point is called neutrally stable.